Yo, alright guys, welcome to my channel, my page, on my account. This is our universal Cutz. So there are some things I've noticed, and I need to say this. Understand? Please pay attention. If today is your first time of seeing my video popping up on your screen, please stick to this. Try to subscribe, try to follow, and like and comment. Share this video. There are some things barbers do that is not even welcoming at all. It's not good. As a barber, you are not supposed to do this kind thing to your fellow barbers. Remember that nobody is good, nobody is perfect, nobody knows it all. We are all learning. Forget all these people that you see online. They will barb finish, they will just edit, do whatever they like. You say that these people are good, these people are that. No, they use dye, do enhancement, cover the mistake that they have done, and you start saying that these people are good. This people, nobody is good. So don't let anybody to belittle you. Don't let anybody to say something that will weigh you down. No, nobody is good. We are all working to be good. Nobody is perfect. Don't say that you are better than this barber, that this barber is better than you. No, you are good on your own. Do you understand? See, okay, let me tell you something. Do you know that that barber that is saying that this barber is good, maybe it's barbing celebrities, that is good, he can barb whatever. Do you know that that same barber might barb your customer and he will not barb it very well, and you barb your customer and barb it very well? So everybody has his own way. So that's why I don't underestimate anybody, don't underrate anybody. We are all good and we are working towards it. Don't say that this person is better than me, this barber is better than me. No barber is better than any barber. You are doing your own, I'm doing my own. And there is something that barbers do that I don't like it at all. It's not encouraging. If you are a barber and you continue doing that, you will not grow. No matter the celebrity that you barb hair in this life, you will never grow. You will not grow, as in you will not see. You can have see that money, but you will not use that and do something very very good. It's not a swear, but I'm just telling us a simple fact. If you're a barber that you condemn other barbers, maybe a client comes to your shop now to barb his hair, maybe that barber that cut his hair, maybe the person push his hairline back, or maybe the person didn't fade it well. You as a barber, you are not supposed to tell the customer that that barber does not know how to barb. See, he's not supposed to barb it like this, he chop the hair. All those things is not good. Or maybe the barber mistakenly or made mistake and push the hairline in, and I say that barber does not know how to barb. As a barber, you are not supposed to say that. It's very very wrong of you. It's very very wrong of you. As a good barber, what you supposed to do when that kind of thing comes, what you supposed to do is look at it and do it on your own, correct it without spoiling the barber's hair, because the level where the person reach, that is when you will know. Do you understand? Like all my boys, as you see me like this, and there is some barber that will be seated, that will be making mouth, you, they must know that you are a barber. If you see me personally, you won't know that I'm a barber. I don't even compete with anybody, I don't do anything, I will just do my own. But I've taught a lot of people that they are good. And all my boys, I always tell them that whenever a customer comes and you notice that the barber that barb the hair did not fade it well, he pushed the hair back, don't thought that that barber does not know how to barb. Just correct it. Let the person that you are cutting his hair be the one to say that that barber did not do it well, so you have done it well now. Do you understand? So we barbers, we should stop all this attitude that you be condemning others barber. It's not good. It's not good. You are not better than me, I'm not better than you. We are all doing our own things. So you have your customers, I have my customers. You have your customer that always say that wow, you are the best, you are good. I have my own customer too, they always say that I'm good, I'm the best. So don't underestimate anybody, don't underrate any barber. We barber, we supposed to carry ourselves, make ourselves like one, unite together. If you notice that this barber, the way he barb that hair is not fine, you as a barber, in your head you know what you do, coded without announcing, spoiling the person's name. Understand? So we barbers, if we can avoid this and stop all this attitude, we will grow well. I love you guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to watch, like, comment and share, and follow us for practical tutorial. We are here. This channel is basically for tutorial purpose. Everything you want to know about hair, you can go to my YouTube channel. You see everything I've done. Understand? I detail everything practically. This is my new everything. Understand what I'm trying to say? So if you want to be part of us, any question you want, we are ready to answer you. Do you understand, guys? I love you guys. Remember, this is our universal code. Follow, subscribe, share, like, comment. Let's grow together. Thank you all.